to delete a live video on Facebook. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete a live video on Facebook. To delete a live video on Facebook, you will need to follow these steps. First of all, open your Facebook application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Now once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Here, tap on your profile icon at the top left to go to your profile page. Now once you reach your profile page, here scroll through your timeline and find the live video you would like to delete. Once you find it, you will also see 3 dots at the right side of it. You will need to tap on those 3 dots to access some menu. And once it opens, you won't see delete button here. To delete the live video, first of all, you will need to move it to the trash section. And then from there, you can delete it. So tap on this move to trash option right here. And a dialog box will appear. It says items in your trash will be deleted automatically after 30 days. But if you need to delete them earlier, you can go to your trash section by going to the activity log in sections. It also says that if your live video was added to your story, it will also be removed from your story. Now tap on this move button right here and it will move to the trash now. Soon after doing that, you will need to tap on go to trash option at the bottom. If in case you are not able to catch this option, then no worries. You can follow the exact steps to access the trash section. First of all, scroll up and tap on those 3 dots at the right side of Edit Profile option. Tap on it and you will reach to a new page. Here you will need to tap on Activity Log option. Once you tap on it, you will be again taken to a new page. Once you reach to this page, here at the top you will find some options. Swipe it left and then there you will find Trash option. Tap on this Trash option to access your trash section. And here you will find all your live videos that you have moved to trash before. Select the video you would like to delete. You can also tap on those 3 dots at the right side of the video you would like to delete. And from the menu that appears at the bottom, tap on this delete option. Once doing that, it will ask you to confirm. Again tap on this delete option and wait for a while. Then you will see you have successfully deleted your live video on Facebook. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.